Oh. Oh, hi guys, I'm Komomo. Thanks for watching. Today's topic is traveling to Nippori fabric town. Yay! Do you know Nippori? Nippori is famous as a fabric town in Tokyo. There are many fabric stores along the street. So from the Nippori South exit, it takes only 3 minutes to the fabric town. And there are Japanese and English maps. You can get the maps at some stores. Then let's go to Nippori Fabric Town right now. Let's go! Hey, I'm in Nippori now. But before the Fabric Town, this is Heiwado. It's very cheap clothing store. It is on the right side. And this is Nippori Fabric Town Arch. Yes. Oh, I found tomato. Tomato is the biggest fabric shop in Nippori. This is the main shop, but there are many tomato shops for interior and art and notion shop. There are many tomatoes. And across the tomatoes there is Zaku Zaku. It's my recommended shop. I don't know why there is a bus right here. These are my recommended shops name and their map numbers. Look, I bought this lovely camellia patterns fabric and warm pink fabric. So everyone guess for what I bought them? The answer is ta-da-da! Hanten! So hanten is Japanese traditional short coat. My grandmother made it for me. I really like it. Anyway, there are many fabric stores. There are many kinds of fabric here. So many Japanese cosplayer go in there. And you know, I'm also cosplayer. I didn't cosplay in this video, but actually I'm one cosplayer, and I also made many costumes thanks to the Nippori's fabric. So I really like Nippori. So anyway, please visit Nippori. You will be surprised. So that's all today. I'm making videos to make kawaii and to enjoy kawaii for non-Japanese people. So if you like, please subscribe my channel. Then see you, goodbye.